Time now to check in on the local market with our business reporter, Edward Boyd. Ed, the ASX, we keep talking about the black. How has it opened up this morning?
Look, it's actually opened lower this morning. It's down about 2% in early trade. And we've had 5 days in a row of consecutive opens, gains at the open, and it's pared back a little bit this morning. We're only down 0.2%. One of the things that's weighing the market down today is the public holiday in the United States. It's Martin Luther King Jr. Day over there, so all US stock markets are closed, and Aussie investors are getting less guidance from the US, so they might be a bit more hesitant to buy today. Another thing weighing the market down is the International Monetary Fund, which overnight trimmed its global forecasts for economic growth. The global growth forecast is now predicted to rise from 2.9% in 2019 to 3.3% this year, which is down from the 3.6% they predicted a year ago. So a couple of things weighing down the market this morning, Tom.
We've also got the BHP news. Talk us through that and that impact on the market.
Yeah, BHP reported its December quarter production results today, and its shares have dropped 1% in early trade. The global iron ore miner reported a 1% quarter-on-quarter fall in iron ore production of 60 million tonnes in the December quarter. But its annual production is still on track to meet its full-year target of between 242 million and 252 million tonnes. The iron ore price for BHP has been going quite well for them. In the last 6 months of December last year, it increased by 41% when compared to the year prior. And strong iron ore prices will boost not only BHP but the Australian economy. You look at the value of iron ore during the mining boom as an example of that influence on Australia. BHP also said bushfire smoke had affected its coal mining operations in New South Wales during December due to the low visibility and poor air quality. And James Gerrish from Shaw & Partners, we spoke to him a short time ago, he said the hit to the thermal coal output won't be too significant.
Yeah, not overly significant. So in the coal division, met coal was reasonably strong. It was in line with expectations. Thermal was slightly down on expectations, but it's not a major driver of their profitability. The main thing you need to look at in terms of BHP is the iron ore numbers, and again, maintaining full-year production numbers for iron ore, expectations around iron ore production numbers is probably the key there. So I wouldn't get too hung up on the weakness or slight weakness in the coal market.
So BHP shares are down about 1% in early trade, and they could be the big company that is weighing down stocks today. We're probably going to finish slightly lower today after 5 consecutive days of gains. Tom?